So Vishnupur, under this thing of Raja Bir Hambir, was the first country, first place to become 100% Krishna consciousness in history. And Raja Bir Hambir, he made it a law. People have to take up Krishna consciousness. And the whole kingdom, including the king, became disciples of Srinivasacharya. So they started conducting festival. From that day, Raja Bir Hambir, whatever he does, he will take permission from Srinivasacharya or consult with Srinivasacharya. He will not do anything on his own whimsically. And the kingdom beautifully moved in a Vaishnavite way. Such an obedient disciple he became. They were conducting regular festivals. Kirtan was going on non-stop and devotees were chanting Krishna's name. And they started distributing books, preaching to people, making devotees. So what we see in ISKCON, the prasad distribution, book distribution, worshipping deities, practicing Krishna consciousness at home, all this model was set by Srinivasacharya and Narottam Das Thakur. We are simply photocopying what they were doing. Bhaktivinoda Thakur beautifully written what should be done, and from that Prabhupada formed this organization. But the first people who did this was Srinivasacharya, Narottam Das Thakur and Shyamanand Pandit. The first festivals they had, the first installation in Keturi Gram in Bangladesh, Keturi Gram, Narottam Das Thakur installed the first Gaur-Nitai deities. Whatever we do nowadays is all done by these three wonderful devotees. They installed, they made temples and all these things. Even the system of Kirtan in our system. Most of the Kirtan were done by Narottam. You can see even in the morning songs we sing Narottama Sangamage, like that. Every song will end up in Narottam Das Thakur's name. Because most of the songs were written by Narottam Das Thakur. Many were written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So what we practice Krishna consciousness is very important. So the message today is, how serious is initiation and how these devotees were longing to get initiated. Srinivasacharya, can see from Navadvip, he traveled to Puri. From Puri again he came back to Navadvip. From again Navadvip to Puri. Then he went to Vrindavan. So much for getting the blessings of a spiritual master. And how beautifully and politely they served Jiva Goswami. Carried books. And Srinivasacharya gave so much importance for this. Now, we all know the present time is a challenging time. It is shaking the faith of everyone. Because Indian railways were never closed for last 2 centuries. Somewhere here and there small strikes will be there, 1 or 2 particular trains will stop, or one stretch of trains may stop. For 40 days, many things are happening for the first time in history. The whole country, whole world is locked down. Railways are shut. People are inside their house. Some are losing jobs. Economical crisis. For many of us, this is the first time in life which we are going through. Here and there during World War time, these things have happened in Kolkata, some parts in Chennai. Not the whole country was not affected. And when cholera came, plague came, some severe diseases and all came, it affected some portion of the country. When famine came, it affected some portion of the country. When recession came, some Western countries were affected. When flood came, some states were affected. But this, for the first time, the whole globe is affected, in unison. It's a testing times. Bhagavatam says, only during the testing times we can prove how strong our faith is in Krishna. Many of us maybe in this group also, many of you may be scared whether my job will be there, whether my this thing. This is where the faith is questioned, tested. When things are fine, we are also chanting Krishna's name, following things, and it's okay, we are fine. But when there are challenges, whether we really have staunch faith in Krishna, or we are having faith on the bank balance and money deposits and the securities. And this is the real test. And you see, many of us will fail in this test because our faith is invested in securities, money, bank balance, job security. Quite natural. But Krishna says, if anyone surrenders to me in Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 2nd chapter, I forgot the shloka number, 11th canto, 2nd chapter, maybe shloka number 35, I think so, 35. If you get time, you check. Krishna says, Uddhava, if anyone follows the principles sincerely, chanting my name, practicing bhakti very nicely, let him blindfold his eyes and run like a mad person. Neither he will trip nor he will fall. I will simply protect him. Krishna says that in Bhagavad Gita also. Pratijani hi kaunteya name bhakta pranashyati. Nothing will happen to my devotees. They will never perish. I protect them. The faith. When you see all the great personalities in Bhagavatam, Mahabharata, Ramayana, what kind of challenges? There were threat for their life. Their money is squandered. They were on streets. But it's just momentary. Krishna will fix everything back and the devotee will be very happy. And we are just beginning devotees. Krishna will, it is like a father taking care of a grown-up son and a young toddler who is crawling. Who gets more attention, the grown-up son or the toddler? The toddler will get a maximum attention. In the same way, we are beginners. We are getting into bhakti. We are just into spirituality. We will get the maximum attention of Krishna. But we should have that faith. Nothing will happen. For those devotees who have faith and simply practicing Krishna consciousness and the principles nicely, Krishna says, let them blindfold their eyes and run. Neither they will trip nor they will fall. I will protect them. Lord will carry the devotee in his arms. Because some people who did not follow the rules of material nature, the nature is attacking back. The floods, the famine, the diseases. It's all explained in Bible, Quran, Bhagavad, Puran. It's all there. Strange diseases and all had come in the past also. But devotees were very nicely taken care. Complete shelter and surrender. So have strong faith in Krishna consciousness. Nicely use this time for chanting and reading and all. And Krishna will simply protect us. Have this faith and practice. And we will meet tomorrow again, continuing these sessions. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.